My reel wasn't shut. Oh, yay. Just a little bit bigger. Just a catfish again. God. Yeah. Oh, yes. All right, guys, we need this. Oh, yes, guys, I gotta get this fish. I gotta get this fish. Guys, I can't get this fish. We're having trouble. Yo, we got him, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I think there's a sea trout, and that is a massive one. I think. I'm gonna check the size on him and see if we can keep him and figure out what that is. But that's awesome. I put that. It was a speckled sea trout, or not even now, but it's a sea trout. He was in size limit, and they're in season or whatever, I don't really know. But we're eating him. He's good. So I'm gonna try to see if I can catch some more or just anything else. Yeah, it might be a catfish, but it might be an actual fish. Yep, there he goes, there he goes. Don't go into there. No! Boo! Crap. And so, we caught a bunch. I'm not gonna show them on camera. Well, I'll show you on camera, I'll show you right now, but I didn't show catching all of them. But we're at this place. We're gonna bring them home and then we're gonna eat them. They're all in size limit, but we see a storm coming our way, so we're gonna head out. You can see it all the way over there. The storm is heading our way really fast, so we're gonna try to see if we can go. But we have like a mile, probably 2 mile walk ahead of us to get back to the car. So we'll see if we can make it without getting in the rain. But yeah. Oh wait, and I'll have to show you. Real quickly, show you what we got. Oh, look, little crab. Little crabs. But anyway, that's what we've got. 2 big old sea trout, and then some snapper of some sort. But yeah.